Listening, Unit 8, page 100, C. 1. How is the girl going to travel to Scotland?
So have your parents decided how you're going to travel to Scotland yet?
Well, I think we'll probably take the train, because we can sleep on the train overnight.
What about going by coach? That's much cheaper.
Yes, but it takes longer, and it isn't as comfortable. The other thing is, my dad doesn't want to drive. We could stop whenever we wanted in the car, but Dad says driving is too tiring.
2. What has the woman planned to do first?
I'm really excited about spending time tomorrow with Elizabeth.
What have you got planned?
Well, in the evening we're going to the theatre, but before that we're going shopping all day. We'll be tired after all that shopping, so I've booked a table at her favourite restaurant for dinner.
Wow, that is a busy day.